Hey guys, this is Beastride DIY. I want to show you how to install and set up these Blink Outdoor 4 cameras. So when you open this up, this is a multi-pack. Comes with this little sync module here, and then instructions. It comes with 2 batteries per camera, some screws, the mounting base, and then the camera itself, and an accessory tool. So what you're going to want to do is take this accessory tool. I was like, great, I'm going to have to get a flathead, but this actually you use to take the back of the base off, which is kind of cool. I didn't have that on a previous Blink system like 5 years ago that I used. Now you take the cover off and you've got the battery compartments here. Of course, you're just going to want to go ahead and put both batteries in. I would recommend using the batteries that come with it. It's 2 lithium-ion batteries from Energizer. Now this is the sync module. Note how the lights are. I've just plugged this in, and you've got a solid green light on the power and a blinking like light blue on the Wi-Fi. Now you will have to have Wi-Fi, I believe, to use these cameras, and this is what it looks like. So I'm in the app itself, and I actually I had used Blink before, so I'm gonna have to delete the old camera and the old system. Now what you do is you go into, I believe it's device and system settings. Here's the third one down, and then you're going to go to delete system here at the bottom. So I clicked home, and then you could delete system. That's going to delete your whole system. Say you had a Blink device before. If it's your first time using a Blink, this screen will pop up, but that's how I did it with using a previous one. You're going to click add and go ahead and go to sync module at the top. Now you're going to have access to your camera, and you're going to want to go ahead and scan the QR code on the bottom. It's going to ask you to pick a name for it. You know, you can enter whatever you want. I just clicked home here. Click continue. It's going to think for a minute, and you should have a blinking blue dot and a steady green like we showed before. It's going to say it wants to join Wi-Fi. It's going to search, and it's going to keep searching. It says sending Wi-Fi signal, connecting to the Blink servers. This may take a few minutes. I think I was on this screen for maybe like 1 to 2 minutes, and you know, the lights will stay pretty similar to that. Now this screen came up for me. It says sync module failed to connect, but it actually connected because I was like, oh shoot, I'm going to try this again. And when I click try it again, it says it was already registered. So I was like, well, let me just cancel. And I went back out to this screen. It says sync module online, and I did click that, and it showed me the whole system and everything, and I was like, okay, well, I guess it's connected. So I went back out to this screen, clicked the plus button to add a camera, and you've already done this, but you could do it in this order. Get up the sync module first. Maybe that's why I got the error, because I did this part first, but now you're just going to add the batteries. And you don't want to put the back compartment back on yet, because you're going to want to scan this QR code now and then press continue. So you can enter it in manually or press continue. You're going to be on this screen for probably at least 5 minutes. It says looking for your camera. You do want to keep it within 7 feet of the sync device when doing this, it says. So after this, it says it updated firmware. Again, it might take a few minutes. It's going to ask you to join some trial plan. I just clicked sure. I'm not going to buy anything else. I'm just going to do the basic plan though. And it's going to take you to this screen here, and you can see you got that little first camera. You can arm it on the bottom. Arming it just means that, you know, when someone walks by it, it's going to activate and notify your phone. Now this is the actual camera. So I wanted to check this, that it's working. You press the play button to get access to this screen. Now this is the camera here itself. You can at this point go ahead and put the back on, and you're going to want to apply some pressure. This is just a little tip, and then turn the accessory. So I have placed the base up here already. It takes 2 screws and a drill. You can put it wherever you want. I have it in the corner of our garage here. And the base swivels. So now this actually takes quite a bit of pressure. You're going to want to place it up, and it snaps back into the back of the camera onto the base in that little circular area, and it's going to pop on. And at this point, you can adjust it, move it up or down, and you're going to want to look at your actual app to see what it looks like so you can adjust it currently. And go ahead and check it out at nighttime too, because it has a certain amount of night vision, which is pretty cool. So guys, I hope this video helped, and go ahead and leave a comment down below. I have linked the product down below as well, so go ahead and check it out, guys.